Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make these simple and classy looking velvet bows. For these bows, we need 2.5 centimeter or 1 inch wide velvet ribbon with a 30 centimeter length. I will list down the other materials needed for this tutorial in the description below. So method 1 is freehand and no sewing required. The first thing that we will do is mark a center and make our folds like so, and it will create about 8 centimeter wide ribbon, and this wrong side showing on top must have about 1 centimeter wide, and then fold that in front and push 2 pinches like so, like this, and secure this with your thread. Make the necessary adjustments until you are happy with your bow. So now your first bow is done. So with the tail, our focus will be the outer corner of the tail. So cut straight line going to the opposite side of the outer corner of each tail, creating this effect. So seal the ends with lighter to avoid fraying. And then for the center, we're just going to use the same width of ribbon and cut about 6 centimeter long, and also cut its half vertically like so, and secure the open ends with a lighter. So you can use any kind of finishing you like hair bands, hair tie, and hair clip, but for this particular velvet bow, I'm going to show you how to attach a keyring to create a keychain, a nice keychain. So the steps are just simple, just making sure the keyring is inside the center before securing it. It's really nice and simple. So for the second method, we're going to use a guide card and some simple sewing. So we're going to use the same measurement of ribbon. I'm going to mark our center, and we're going to use the medium guide card or the one with 8 centimeter wide. So place your ribbon underneath the guide card, and using some extra clips to secure the folds like so. So now grab your needle and thread, secure the end, and we're going to start stitching from the underneath of the top part of your ribbon. So this is the third one, the fourth is here, down here, and the last one just about the edge. So a total of 5 stitches. Okay, pull that down, and again this will create 2 pinches in front with the wrong side on top pushed forward down. Secure your ribbon bow with your needle and thread twice. So this method is advisable. I will advise this method if you are going to sell your velvet bows, because this one will make sure that you have same standard of making this design. So yeah, so again, focus on the outer corner of your tail and cut a straight line going to the opposite side to create this tail effect. So now we are almost done with the second ribbon. Now I'm going to show you how to attach a hair clip. So my hair clip here is 5 centimeters long. I'm going to cover it using a 1 centimeter by 12 centimeter long grass green ribbon. So this part is optional. It's up to you if you're going to make hair clips. So using also the same type of ribbon, and I cut 6 centimeters long and then cut it again vertically in half, secured the open ends to use for the ribbon bow's center. If you have smaller ribbon, yeah, you can use that. But if you don't have, yes, you can definitely just cut the same ribbon that you used for the ribbon. So just secure your hair clip like so. Put just a little amount of glue. Cut the excess ribbon and secure that with a lighter. And now for a clean finish, yeah, fold this cross grain ribbon, tuck it in the hair clip to give it a professional look. Yeah. So now our second bow is done. So yes, I hope you like this tutorial, and let me know in the comments below how you think about these bows. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again. Thank you. Bye bye.